Today I'm going to make a half cover for a heating register. You could either consider this one of the most ridiculous projects ever, or just a fun excuse to play in the shop. So it's summertime here in Ontario, and it's hot and it's muggy, and that means we have the air conditioner turned on, and that means the powder room is freezing. So the powder room, 2-piece bath on the main floor, it's, I'll throw up the dimensions. They're tiny because it's toilet, sink, that's it. But it still has a full-size heating and cooling duct piped into it. And yes, I have an unfinished basement. I have access to the ductwork. I have played with the damper on the pipe. It's still freezing. In wintertime, it's hot. Wintertime, you don't usually mind. It's like, oh, it's a nice cozy room to go into. In the summertime, it's freezing in the powder room, and that's silly. And so I'm just gonna make a piece of wood to block it. That's it. So I went into my scrap box and I found this offcut of walnut, and yes, the grain is this way. That doesn't matter for a project like this. So my heating register is 4 1/4 inches wide. I think I'm gonna rip this down to about 3 1/2. And I want to cover about half of it, so I want a piece of wood about 6 inches long. So I cut this piece to size, and then from the offcut I fiddled around until I had a piece that fit right in this end piece. These other ones, they're kind of angled, so you need it's very tricky to get it in, but the end piece is nice. The end slot in this vent is nice and straight. So I cut this little piece to fit, and then let's put the two together. So I think I want it positioned about there. So I'm going to make oh wait a minute, let's turn it over. Yeah, this is the back side. Right about there, so I'll make a line right about here. And we'll strike a line. And we'll do a little bit of quick sanding on this piece. Oops, a little bit of CA glue here. Okay, that's actually a lot of CA glue. Oh well. All right. And that is pretty much that. This drops now into the heating register, and it holds it well enough that it's not going to get kicked across the floor because, I mean, it is tucked up against the wall. I could put another one in to just really lock it, but I don't really think it's worth it. But I do think it's worth a bit of sanding, and I'm going to run a router along the top, and then we'll hit it with some lacquer. Well, it turns out I'm out of spray lacquer. So I'm going to use a little bit of shellac because it dries almost as quickly. And this is still in the silly product category, so I'm not doing a whole lot of fussing about it. There we go. Can you see the curl and the shimmer in that walnut? Sometimes you find treasure in the scrap bin. And after the shellac dried, I buffed it a little bit with some 3M pad, and it nicely fits. And there's my heating cover, so let's take it up to the powder room. And this drops in here, and this drops in there. There you go. All right, guys, it ain't much, but it is a useful little project. Thanks for hanging around as I was playing in the shop tonight. We'll see you on the next one.